how to solve 9 power k is equal to 27. Find the value of k. So 9 is same as 3 power 2, then bracket power of k is equal to 27. In the next step, here we apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power of m times n, that means mn. So it will be 3 power of 2 times k, that means 2k is equal to 27 is same as 3 power 3. Now here we apply a rule that a power b is equal to a power c. So a same base. So a will be cancelled. So this power will be equal to this power. That means b will be equal to c. So 3 will be cancelled. So and this power will be equal to this power. So it will be 2k is equal to 3. In the next step, we have 2k is equal to 3. Now we divide it by 2 in both sides because we need the value of k. So this 2 will cancel. So we have k is equal to 3 over 2. So this is the value of k. So this is our final answer. Now to check our equation, 9 power k is equal to 27. Now 9 is same as 3 power 2, then bracket power is k, that means 3 by 2. Is it equal to 27? In the next step, 3 power of 2 times 3 over 2. Is it equal to 27? Now this 2 will be cancelled. So we have 3 power 3 is equal to 27. So 3 power 3, and that means 27. So of course 27 is equal to 27. So left side is equal to right side. So I make videos with great difficulty. So please like, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you.